Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in my bathroom, so I'm gonna show you my morning routine. So I know my hair can look crazy, but it's a process. I'm gonna show you. So my kids are with me, like always, and I also bring a little makeup bag this morning because really I don't have time to go downstairs to put makeup on, so I'm just thinking myself that I really need a little quick kit. Sorry, I was not sure if it was a laughing or a crying stuff. So I just keeping thinking myself that I really need to bring a little bit of makeup to put on morning when I'm not gonna do a filming kind of look or something like this. So today is not the day because I'm going to play outside with my kids, so I just bring a little something. So first, coffee, and you can see it's a kid's bathroom. So the first thing that I love to do is first using micellar water and just remove all the excess dirt, and if I spot cleaning my pimples last night, I'm gonna remove this with this. So for that I'm gonna use this so I bought this. Oh, and first I clean my hands. So I really need to buy some reusable cotton pads on Amazon. So this I bought it on Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. It's like a cloth, something like this. So, and also if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I forgot. And don't forget to subscribe and to follow me on my social media. So yeah, so I'm gonna use my bathtub because right now you're in my sink. So I didn't even tell you. So for my cleaner, I'm using the CeraVe Foaming facial cleanser. I love this cleanser. It's super cheap. Like I think it's 10 bucks or something like this. And also it's really cleaning the skin without like feeling super tight, like too much. And don't forget your neck. And after I massage a little bit the cleanser with my hands, I'm gonna use my Foreo device. I don't know what it's called, mini stuff. But if you don't have it, you don't need it. It's so expensive, but I know Sephora have their sale this week and next week, I think. So if you have an eyes on it, I really love it. And it's expensive, but you don't have to buy brush like the Clarisonic. And it's rechargeable, and the charge on it is like really long. So now I'm gonna remove the cleanser with this cloth again. So now my skin is clean. I'm gonna just leave my skin dry a little bit. Now my skin is dry, so I'm gonna go with my moisturizer. So for my moisturizer, I'm using the Sephora Nourish moisturizer, and for my under eyes, again in the same range, I use this Sephora eye cream. I really love it. This one is thick, so when summertime is gonna be there one day, because in Quebec sometimes it's snowing now. So it's pretty much thick, so when the summer is gonna be there, this cream will not be good for me, but in winter it's good. So I'm over all the tube. So don't forget your neck. I feel like I'm filming an old YouTube makeup routine, like when everyone just bring this stuff almost everywhere. Now it's really like a production. Like you need good lighting, you need a good background. You love it. So now my eye creams, I go with this finger because this finger is the most gentle on your skin. For my brows, I'm gonna use my brow pencil. So this is my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of hair stroke in my brows, not too much because I don't want to have like Instagram brow because I'm not gonna have a lot of makeup on, so just to don't have any spare space, but so just like this. Oh, I forgot something. So I'm gonna put a little bit of sunscreen. So thanks to Roxane La Tulipe, who is a YouTube friend and who reminds me to put not moisturizer but sunscreen on my face every day. She doesn't recommend this one because she doesn't like it, but for me it works pretty well. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on because my under eyes are looking like someone who is along with her kids 1 month. So, and with this brush, I'm just gonna pat everything on. And I'm just gonna do the rest with my fingers. And because my eyes are just moisturized, it's gonna look super refresh and natural. And also this concealer is not very like heavy duty, so for me it's okay because I don't want to look like I had something under my eyes, because otherwise it's gonna look like weird with all my natural face with no foundation on and some super coverage concealer. So I don't mind if we can see a little bit of blue under my eyes, but like this it looks pretty okay. So I look pretty much super fresh. So now, because I'm a little bit high maintenance, I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna take this Pacifica Sun Kiss. I don't know if it's an eyeshadow or if it's a bronzer, but this bronze stuff. So for my upper bathroom makeup, I just want something that it's not big at all and almost anything. Sorry for the noise, but they are kids, they are playing and they are fighting a lot. I'm just gonna put this quickly into my crease and on my lid, just to have something to look cute. So quickly I'm gonna do my mascara, and this with no mirror. So this is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. It's not my favorite, but oh, I think it will go to the trash. Goodbye. And for my lips, I had 3 options. It's really gonna depend on how I feel, my vibe the morning. So my first one is my lip mask by Beauty. So this is the agave one. So I love this one. It's so pricey, but it's really worth the hype and the price. So I love this, and I love this to put on my lips before to go to sleep. My second choice will be the Tarte Lip Surgeons. So this is a gloss, a little bit of a tinted gloss. Looks good on the lips. Your lips gonna look super juicy and everything. And my last choice will be the Nars Lip Crayon. So this is a satin lip crayon in the shade Rikujian? I don't know. So I'm just gonna put this lip on. So this is really smells weird. Maybe it's too old. So yeah, so this is really my lips but better. It's not really something crazy. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the Tarte over this. Just why not? So now I'm gonna do my hair. So I sleep with this last night. I'm just gonna remove all the braids. So I'm not really that good with hair, but I love, like, my hair are pretty. I don't know, like, if I'm going to be a rich lady one day, I don't think so, but if this is the one thing that I will have at home, someone who do my hair every day. Oh, I forgot some highlights. So for my highlights, I had this Chappy Stick by Clinique, and I'm just gonna really rub this on my face and blend it with my fingers. So because I don't have any product under like a foundation or something like this, anything's gonna lift up with this technique, but I will not recommend you this technique if you have foundation and powder and all that jazz. So this looks pretty much super natural on the skin, but when the light's gonna hit the stuff, it's gonna be super glowy and everything, but it's not gonna look crazy. Oh, look. Oh, so now it's finished. So this is my routine, my real routine in the morning. This is the final look. So this is the stuff that I will do every morning, because I was doing the washing, moisturizing stuff, but not really the makeup. But I really need to put not a lot of makeup, like I said, just a little bit to feeling a little bit better, not super down, not super depressed, just to feeling like good with myself. So I don't have anything else to say beside I love you guys, stay safe please, and I will see you soon. Bye.